Show you how to create an audio file. The way you do this is you hit your QuickTime player. Again, if you don't have your QuickTime player in the dock, you can go up to make sure Finder's activated. Go to Go and Applications. A menu will pop up. You find your QuickTime player, whatever it is that you want. You click that and you hold it and drag, and then the dock will create a space where you can release your mouse pad, and then that app will show up in your dock. So let's make sure we have QuickTime Player in our dock. We click it. Nothing actually really opens, but QuickTime Player shows up at the icons menus above. And then we will go to File. We have lots of options. You could do a movie recording here and a screen recording, but if we just want audio, we're just going to record our voice or sounds. We're going to click that, and then we can start hitting record. Because I'm already recording with the screen and audio together, this is acting a little differently than it would be if you just opened it. But you would hit record here, you'd be able to record, you'd hit the same button to stop it, and then as you go to close this out, it'll prompt you to save and title, in which case I did this down below here. So then once you do that, you can get into your Google Stream, access your drive, take your audio file and drop it into your drive, and then it will show up. I'm going to do that one more time. And then it will show up in your drive later. See, it's uploading now. And then you can access it from your menus.